Hello, my lovelies. Today, Andre and I are gonna play with a really cool tool, an automatic tattoo printer. It's temporary tattoos. They're completely washable. This right here is the printer. It just seems really cool. For some reason, Andre is really into tattoos, even though he has a 0. I have 0 tattoos, but he really wanted to play with this automatic tattoo printer. So that's what we're doing today. This right here is not cheap. It's expensive. It's $499, but it's currently on sale, and we actually got it on sale for $3, I wish. $399 for the color and the black ink. The printer tattoos, they're water resistant but soap washable. But let's just try it out. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You do have to have an app for this. So it says scan, please connect your printer. And it does use your Bluetooth as well. While it's doing that, you also, in the box, you get this skin primer. And this is what supposedly helps adhere the tattoo to your skin and help it last longer without any kind of smudging or anything like that. So we're gonna test with, obviously, the primer. Okay, so we have connected, and it says we have 100% battery, and then it shows you also the cartridges that I have included. That's so fascinating. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's pick out some designs. So basically you can actually create your own. You can draw your own design. I don't know if you can upload your picture or whatever. They also have over 11,000 ready designs that you can choose and pick and just draw, which is really cool. Alrighty, so we kind of looked at some designs and we actually uploaded some of our own designs. What do you want to go with first?
The B.
We're doing the Bitcoin crypto. We're doing the B logo for Bitcoin.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it like right here. I'll see how it works.
Okay, so let's send this to the printer. Use a single quick and steady swipe to print tattoo. Okay. It smells like alcohol. It's not bad.
A little tacky.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can feel it?
Yeah.
This thing's giving me issues. It keeps disconnecting from the printer. Okay, let's figure this out.
Okay, so we're just gonna print right here.
Yeah. I'm so confused. I'm like nervous.
Well, don't go too high. Right here.
Right here?
Press.
What does it say?
It's thinking. Prink. Now let's roll it down. And I don't see anything. Oh, there it is. Probably should have chose a different color.
Well, that's ugly.
And I didn't do it right.
Wow, that was really ugly.
It did the colors in the wrong places.
Whoa. Okay. That you can't even see that on the skin.
Well, that's my fault, cause yellow is very close to the skin color.
Okay, so let's do the actual letter. Maybe? Let's take this off. Let's see if it comes off with like a makeup wipe.
It's pretty easy.
Nice. Is this, oh, this looks very sticky.
It is.
Okay, so let's do that. Let's put your arm up.
Let's do it this way. You probably shouldn't be too generous with this because then the whole arm is sticky. Like, you know what I mean? Just do the area you want it in. Something's off. Like, if you guys can see, the yellow, red is off.
Yeah.
And then all of these colors are just...
They're blue, pink, purple.
They're all over the place.
Yeah, they're not printing at the same time. They're having a hard time printing. Or put them in correctly. They're supposed to be yellow, white, with like the white background.
It's just orange and black.
Yeah, orange and black.
And it came out blue and all sorts of weird colors.
Let's do the eyes on me.
Let's do it. I'll do that.
Well, gotta prep my arm first.
Like Hotel Emirates.
Blow.
Blow on it. So it's not too hot.
It's hot.
Hot.
Okay, so let's add that to the printer. So it's basically eyes that are closed with eyelashes and really pretty eyebrows.
Okay, I'm gonna stand up so I can do this right. It says press. And it says prink, so it says go this way. Ready?
Well, no, it says go this way. So
I
start
am.
from here.
I'm going this way.
No, get closer here. Yeah. Don't press too hard.
Yeah. Did it like run out of ink?
I don't know. What happened? You went backwards.
No,
Babe.
it's that way. Oh, maybe you were
Yeah, you were holding it wrong.
I'll show you. Did it that way. Well, there's a little bit of tinkering here. Let's do a black and white one.
Let's do black and white. So we double checked all of the manuals, we watched the videos, and we're doing everything that they're recommending. So we actually just installed, you can see, we have only one ink cartridge, which is the black one. So hopefully this will work, right?
Yeah, it seems like it's not calibrated, and like I don't know how to calibrate it. I was thinking like this would be awesome for parties and like all of that stuff, especially like we have a New Year party coming up, to like, you know, as an activity, do whatever design you want, kind of cool, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, okay.
Maybe
so
it'll be black and white only.
we're connected. Let's go to our liked designs, and now we're gonna try to do. And even in the phone, it turns all of the designs into black and white and more like gray.
Yeah.
So the Bitcoin, it's not orange anymore, it's more gray. So let's do the eyes on me again. So we're gonna prink it, which means it's basically prepping for the printer, the prinker.
Thinking, I'll take it off.
Okay. All right, ready?
Press. Take it off.
It's off. And did we lose it? Doc. Confirm. Okay, let's do this again. It's very finicky, aren't you? I smudged it because I pressed it too hard on my skin. But the other eye is good. But it's not like black. It's not intense.
Yeah, you could see the marks going like back and forth.
This one looks a little better. Yeah, on the phone, it's like really black and intense.
Yeah, I wish that would make it more intense.
And
Way
then you have
more.
to prime after. So we'll give that 10 seconds. But it's like, see, it's even bleeding. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Oh, you probably like put way too much.
Maybe. I mean, they said 2 to 3
You
sprays.
soaked it. Probably should have went further away.
This is very finicky. It's very expensive for what it's doing, if I'm honest with you.
For $400, you expect this to be flawless.
And even like their own videos, it's showing it to be so flawless, so easy to use, and like in 1 second. But it's very finicky.
Okay, let's try one more.
Let's do. We're gonna find another design. Let's do an eagle for you.
No, I want a bee.
Oh, you still want the Bitcoin?
I want the bee over here. Yeah, just nice bee.
He still wants the Bitcoin.
And you can go faster.
There you go. That's the bee.
It's horrible.
All right, so we're trying another one. We're gonna do, it's black, so it's not a gray bee logo, it's a completely black with a circle around it.
Yeah, let's do that.
So let's try it again. Okay, sending to prinker. It's ready. Press and prink. Wow, that's embarrassing.
Why did you do that?
And I'm trying to barely roll it on your skin. Like I'm just trying to roll, like
Do it
hover
again.
over your skin.
Do it again.
All right, we're gonna try it again.
But roll it quicker.
Still, it's doing the same thing.
Yeah, like stretching it. It's like it's not reading it or something.
Let's do one of their own designs.
What was this rated? Did this have any
I don't think
rating?
this had any ratings.
So we were just the suckers who bought this?
So,
Wait, let's do that cow.
where's a cow?
Right here.
No, this isn't a cow. That's like a,
Bull.
I have no idea what that is. It's a bullhorn skull. Maybe it has a hard time with your body hair. Okay, ready?
Get rid of it.
Oh, we lost it. Well, this is a little quick.
It's tiny, but okay.
Looks kind of cool.
Yeah. Do another one.
Okay, what else? What's another one you want?
I'm gonna do this on myself.
Andre, I'm gonna give you
Do a star, yeah.
What kind of star do you want?
No, just typical star, that's it. This one.
This one.
Let's do
Okay,
this one.
let's do it.
There's
Ready?
a bunch of stars.
Prink. No, you can't press it over your hand so hard.
Boom.
You kind of got it right on. The horns.
I mean, that looked pretty good.
Yeah, should we get matching?
You want one?
Yes, let's do matching. Yeah, see, you pressed it. You can't press it. You have to let it roll, like hover over my arm. You're pressing it too hard. You have to let it hover over with the wheels.
I mean, I did a pretty good job on mine.
Yours is better. Now let's redo mine.
Let's redo it. We need to return this thing. I'm not satisfied at all.
It looks kind of better.
Yeah.
Matching tattoos, yo. Bam.
Except mine's manly.
Yours.
All right, so here we are. Girly.
Manly. With the horns.
Girls can be horny also.
Oh my gosh.
Like that joke for you.
This video's taking a twist. So now because yours already had time, let's spritz
Alright.
yours. I'm gonna do it like far away.
Yeah,
And it said 2 to 3. So we're gonna let that set. Okay, so we're gonna do a heart beat with a heart.
Not bad.
Did it work? I can't really see it. Oh, it did work, like this. This one's very minimal. The thing is, with these little rollers, like you have to go like over smooth surfaces. Like you can't really go around bones. That's the other thing that I noticed as well. Wow, this primer is very sticky. You can like feel your arm is like super sticky. So this already been like a couple of minutes. It's not really rubbing off.
Yeah, so like mine's like right here, and like, yeah, it's pretty good.
We're gonna see how long this lasts. We'll see if it lasts even a day.
So what if I got a tattoo like that?
I don't know.
No? Imagine this time just coming around you.
I wanna do our wedding date right here in the inside of the wrist. Oh shoot. That was bad. That looks bad. So after playing with this stupid expensive tattoo printer, we have a good conclusion. Don't buy it. It's way too expensive. It's way too gimmicky. Like you also have to upgrade to a different design plan. Like a month you can only do, I think they said 20 uploads. So you have to pay extra on top of your printer already. I mean, it's not a scam. It works to a point, but it's way too expensive for what it does and the quality that you get. Hopefully we can send this back. Well, that completes the video. I don't think we're even going to keep you guys updated how long these tattoos last, right?
No need, it doesn't matter.
No need. Andre's really disappointed. I feel so bad.
I was excited.
You were so excited. This was your product that you wanted to play with. But unfortunately, it's just, yeah, it didn't meet our expectations, especially for the price. We're gonna leave it here. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see the next one very soon. Bye.